Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a clean and pack with me video part 1. I might combine it into 2 parts. We'll see. I'll let you guys know in the description box. But we are getting ready to head to Myrtle Beach for a last kind of end of summer vacation. So I have a lot of cleaning that I want to do around the house and packing. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off here in the kitchen, just cleaning it, getting it all nice and ready. You'll see me do a full deep clean of this kitchen. I am starting to do this clean and pack with me video about 2.5 days before we're actually leaving for Myrtle Beach. We absolutely love Myrtle Beach. We try and go around Memorial Day, Labor Day all the time, and that is where we are headed, and that is why I'm trying to get our kitchen and house, everything all nice and clean so I don't have to worry about a hot mess when I get back. So this video is, I hope, going to give you some good cleaning motivation as well as some packing motivation as well if you guys are planning on a trip coming up soon. I know this year it has kind of been different for a lot of us, but we were able to escape away. I have a Myrtle Beach vlog from our past trip back in May. If you're interested, I will link in the cards. And then I also did a best restaurants to eat while you're in Myrtle Beach video. I'll also link that in the cards for you as well if you're interested and planning on going there anytime soon. Now, I don't know about y'all, but when I am cleaning and I don't have anything in my dish rack, I want to put it up. My husband just got this huge dish rack, like dryer thing, and it is so big. I just posted a under the kitchen sink organization clean with me video. I'll link in the cards, but this one was just so big, so I kind of had to figure out how to reconfigure it, but I did. But goodness, husband, he just didn't like the other one for some reason. Now, if you're interested in any of the specific products that I am using during this video, be sure to head to the description box and I'll have all the products as well as links to them to help you guys get those products in your hands. Baby got me breathing now. Baby got me breathing now. Breathing now.
You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile.
Now, we recently switched to the Wellman stainless steel cleaner versus using that Method one that I was using in the past. This one does a whole lot better job at cleaning stainless steel and getting those little fingerprints, grease smudges, all that kind of stuff off of your stainless steel appliances. So definitely try this out. It's not Method and you can't get it from Grove, but it definitely works a whole lot better.
Your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is starts racing when I'm with you.
A great thing I love to do right before I go on any kind of vacation is have our robot vacuum cleaner clean up. So I am just picking everything up off the floor, as well as going to empty out the little vacuum cleaner's tray so it has a nice little bin that it can start vacuuming up the downstairs floor. So it just picks up all of the crumbs, dirt, everything like that, and I can keep going on my business. So right now I'm just kind of helping it along and picking up some of these chairs so it doesn't have to bump into them, all that kind of stuff. But I love using our robot vacuum to just help with the cleaning process and help me multitask.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I will never let you go now when you're looking like that. Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
So I'm curious, y'all know what I'm doing during Labor Day, or when it was Labor Day. What do you guys typically do during Labor Day? Like I said, we typically go to the beach and kind of do our last little summer escape. But if you guys stay home, do you have any special things that you guys do with your family? Let me know in the comments down below.
Else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time.
So as you saw, I am having my Robo vacuum, so I am just kind of picking up some of these toys, that mat, off of the floor just to kind of give it a little bit more space to clean up.
See you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment.
Now I'm curious, what type of fridge person are you in your family? Are you the kid magnets everywhere with the ABCs, all that kind of stuff? Are you just family pictures on there? Do you have a super just neat, clean refrigerator with nothing on it? Do you have just family pictures on there, or just special occasions? Do you have a calendar? Let me know what you guys put on your refrigerator. What I typically like to do is any kind of important announcements, like baby announcement, wedding announcement, or whatever, but I kind of, after a couple of months, take those down when I get new ones. But I kind of have seasonal pictures that I like to put on there. And then any extra magnets I have, I just kind of put them on the side. But that's kind of what I am, a little mixture of both. I don't have the kids' magnets or anything like that. Jackson has his own little magnetic board for that.
I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be.
Now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean out my microwave and then move on to the stove. Just wipe everything down so everything, again, is nice and clean before we get back.
I just wanna go home alone. I need some time. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone.
I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs.
So while I clean, I like to watch different YouTube videos, or I like to listen to podcasts. Let me know what you guys like doing while you're cleaning. I normally have on my phone or like an iPad another Clean With Me video going on of someone else that I like to follow. So let me know if you watch other Clean With Me videos, who motivates you. Let me know in the comments down below.
Stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of.
I'm moving on now to our screen porch area where my little toddler just kind of destroyed our couch. He was throwing them, jumping on them, doing things toddlers do. So I'm making sure to straighten up this area so when we get back, it, again, doesn't look like a hot mess. So one of my favorite things about Labor Day weekend is it's kind of like the kickoff to fall, the end of the summer. Fall is my favorite season. Let me know what your favorite season is down below. But I'm just so ready for leggings, fuzzy sweatshirts or jackets. And when it gets even cooler, when I wear my Uggs and my big tall boots. That is seriously my favorite. I love just getting all nice and cozy, have candles going, all that. So ready for that.
You'd always be mine. Oh, yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
Now I'm getting a little box ready for Jackson for school. He is starting preschool again this fall time, and we are actually starting school when we get back. So I had a couple things I needed to grab: glue sticks, crayons, like chalk, and a favorite color of Play-Doh that we needed to put in a box with his name and stuff on it. So I made sure to get that done so I didn't have to worry when we got back in town. So now I am headed upstairs, finally going to make up the bed. Sometimes, you know, you make the bed right when you wake up and sometimes you don't. And now is like the main thing that I do before packing and stuff for a trip is pretty much all of the laundry. I want all the laundry done because, you know, when you come back, you always have so much more laundry from being gone all that time. So I have been running laundry, but now it's time to kind of hang up the clothes, fold them, and then I also use a hand steamer and steam my clothes as well.
Down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. us no more. We don't know us no more. No, no. We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. No, no. Yeah.
Now, I don't know if y'all have been to Myrtle Beach before, but they have the Tanger outlets, which are a bunch of like the high-end brand stores. And typically when we go is like Memorial Day, Labor Day, especially around Labor Day, they have amazing sales. So I did go shopping there, and you will see the haul of all of the clothes for me and my family here on my channel. So be sure to subscribe to stay up to date and see what fun goodies we picked up at the Tanger outlets this trip.
This time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know us no more. No, I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. No, no. We don't know.
So before I go ahead and keep on cleaning, Jackson's still taking his nap. It is about 2:54. I'm gonna go make some popcorn and just sit for a little bit. But all of this was like completely full of stuff to steam is put up, so it'll make it easier for me to actually like get on with packing. I still have laundry going, but I definitely think it is time to take a little break and make some popcorn.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you.